Case summary. Court. Supreme Court of Appeal of South Africa. Date: June 2010. Citation: the M.V. Saldanha 2010. ZASCA 95 Judges: Navsa J.A., Brand J.A., Heha J.A., Imachlandla J.A., and Griesel A. J.A. Background facts: the case revolved around the vessel, the M.V. Saldanha, which was involved in a charter party dispute. The claimants were the shipowners and the defendants were the charterers. The dispute arose from the cancellation of a time charter party due to the ship's unseaworthiness. Claimants, plaintiffs, shipowners of the M.V. Saldanha, defendants. Charterers of the M.V. Saldanha. The M.V. Saldanha was chartered under a time charter party agreement. During the charter period, the vessel experienced significant mechanical issues, leading the charterers to cancel the charter party on the grounds of unseaworthiness. The shipowners disputed the cancellation, arguing that the charterers had wrongfully repudiated the contract. Arguments. Claimants' argument. The shipowners argued that the charterers were not entitled to cancel the charter party as the vessel was not unseaworthy to the extent that would justify such cancellation. They claimed that the mechanical issues were minor and rectifiable without necessitating the termination of the contract. Defendants' argument. The charterers contended that the vessel's mechanical issues rendered it unseaworthy, significantly impacting its ability to perform under the terms of the charter party. They argued that the unseaworthiness justified their cancellation of the contract as it fundamentally breached the terms agreed upon. Final outcome. Judgment. The Supreme Court of Appeal ruled in favor of the shipowners. Law justification and detailed analysis. The court held that the charterers had wrongfully repudiated the charter party. The court found that the mechanical issues did not render the vessel unseaworthy to the extent that would justify the cancellation of the charter party. The legal justification for the outcome was based on the interpretation of unseaworthiness in maritime law. The court examined the extent and nature of the mechanical issues and determined that they were not substantial enough to breach the seaworthiness warranty under the charter party. The court emphasized that the concept of unseaworthiness requires a significant inability to perform the agreed service, not just minor defects or issues. Key concept implications of the court case. Definition of unseaworthiness. This case clarifies the threshold for unseaworthiness in charter party agreements. Minor mechanical issues do not necessarily constitute unseaworthiness sufficient to justify the termination of a contract. Repudiation of charter party. The ruling underscores the importance of carefully evaluating the grounds for cancelling a charter party to avoid wrongful repudiation. Obligations of shipowners. The decision highlights the obligation of shipowners to address and rectify issues promptly to maintain the vessel's seaworthiness. Key takeaways. Understanding the legal standard for unseaworthiness is crucial in maritime law and charter party agreements. Parties should carefully assess the severity of issues before deciding to cancel the charter party to avoid wrongful repudiation. The case emphasizes the necessity for shipowners to take prompt and reasonable actions to maintain and restore the vessel's seaworthiness when issues arise.